What is happening, y'all? Thank y'all again for joining the channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing if you like what you see, or just give us a thumbs up. But anyway, guys, today we are talking tonneau covers. Specifically, I'm comparing my Extang Solid Fold ALX versus a Diamondback cover, and whether or not it's worth spending the extra money to get a Diamondback. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this cover I've had for about a month and a half. I just finished a 2,500 mile camping road trip with the family. We towed our small camper and we spent 2 weeks in Colorado, and this thing held up beautifully. It actually surprised me so much that it kind of forced me to do this video, because again, having owned a Diamondback and now owning this cover, I can honestly say that you get more bang for your buck with this cheaper cover. Now this is, again, it's the Extang Solid Fold 2.0. It's kind of the newer version of what they used to call the Extang Solid Fold 2.0. This is just the Extang ALX, and the ALX just means that it has this aluminum frame and these heavy-duty composite panels, and what that gives you, it gives you the ability to lay 600 pounds of gear evenly distributed on here. So you can throw like construction gear or a washer, or you can strap some bikes up here, whatever it may be. You can evenly distribute 600 pounds, which is comparable to what you could do with a Diamondback. Similarly, this particular model has the rotary latch system. So this operation is very similar to what's on a Diamondback. So on a Diamondback, it's also a rotary latch, and it bolts down underneath the rail system. This one is underneath. So on the Diamondback, you have it up here, and you have to lock and unlock it anytime you want to secure your gear. Here, you just close your tailgate and lock the truck. Now, no tonneau cover is 100% theft deterrent, or you're not going to deter theft 100%, because anyone can just smash your window and then go into your truck, unlock it, and get into the bed. So when you start comparing this cover with the Diamondback, and you start looking at where does that extra $1,000 go, it really goes to all of the cool marketing that they have. Obviously, that thing is built like a tank. It's like the Fort Knox of tonneau covers, but at the end of the day, it is $1,000 more. And so when you start comparing the two items, and for the functionality and utility, for me, it's a no-brainer. Save the $1,000, you get a really nice cover. I mean, nothing about this is cheap. That can serve a purpose, and in my opinion, it just has a little bit more utility and functionality, and I'll show you guys here in a second. So what I mean by more utility and functionality, a couple of things that go hand in hand with that. So like I mentioned, it's this rotary latch system, which is very similar to the Diamondback, as I explained, but in that this gives you more functionality is that you can actually open this 3/4 way, so it won't fold all the way to the back glass, but this is about 3/4 of your bed. With the Diamondback, you get about a quarter, because it doesn't fold all the way. It's on hydraulic props, and so it just opens up hatch style, and you can't really like put a bike in, and it really limits what you can put in your Diamondback. Also with this cover, what I really appreciated was the ease of installation. So this install was fairly easy. It took me about an hour because I misplaced some hardware, and I was doing this by myself, and the instructions weren't very clear. But really, it just clamps on to some plates that they provide, just 2 clamps, and then it clamps on these tethers, 1, 2, and that's it. Your cover is set. I read online that the Solid Fold 2.0s were having issues with those clamps coming loose if you're like going off-road or going down washboard roads, things like that. I can tell you guys that hasn't been my experience. Went through some pretty rough terrain in Colorado, a lot of bounciness, a lot of off-road, and I would check the clamps every day and they never came loose. So really solid, again, really well made cover, and again, doesn't break the bank. And the great thing too about this ease of installation is that you can pull this cover off in literally 5 minutes. It would take you 5 minutes to pull this cover off if you need full access to your truck. Whereas with the Diamondback, you know, you're going to need some tools. You could do it by yourself, but you know, it's a much heavier tonneau cover, and it's just more of a pain in the ass to take on and off, which with this you can do it by yourself, again, in 5 minutes because of the ease of installation. So when you factor all of that up and you look at the value proposition between the two covers, you know, you get similar functionality out of this tonneau cover than what you do with the Diamondback. Does it look as, you know, tactibro, or does it look as rugged as the Diamondback? No. And you know, they don't obviously put in, Extang doesn't put as much marketing money in, and they don't have, you know, it's a different market that they're going for. But honestly, when it comes down to tonneau covers, when you're already making a truck payment, you know, simplicity, functionality, ease of use, all of things, in my opinion, are more important than what an item looks like. It's function over form. And you know, I just thought that that was a perfect pairing with the Frontier, because I think that ethos rings true for the Frontier as a truck. And honestly, guys, this cover is awesome. It's really nice. It's really well made. I'm not sponsored by Real Truck, and I'm not sponsored by Extang. This is a cover that I bought with my own money. I think it cost me 1,100 bucks. It got here super quick. With a Diamondback, you're going to be spending about $2 grand after taxes and all that, maybe a little bit more, and then you're going to wait a couple of weeks to get it, or they make you pay for expedited shipping if you want it faster. Again, this serves its purpose. You're going to get 90% of the functionality that you will with the Diamondback. You're going to get 90% of the theft deterrence, all in a great package. The weatherproofing on this is great. I never had any water intrusion. We hit some storms in New Mexico and Colorado, and the water stayed out of the cab. Everything stayed dry. Obviously, you're going to get some water because most trucks will let in water through these cracks because they're trucks. If you're looking for something that's 100% waterproof, don't buy a truck, right? Get an SUV, get a nice 4Runner, and you can keep all of your gear dry and secure inside. But for trucks and for tonneau covers, I really think this Extang Solid Fold ALX is the way to go, guys. If you have any questions or comments, as always, put them down in the comment section. I respond to pretty much all of them, and I will be putting out more Frontier content here shortly. Like I said, I went on that huge camping trip. I'm going to be talking about the truck, the pros, the cons, the nuances, and just, you know, pumping out more Frontier content for you guys. But until then, we'll see you on the next one.